Want to fix Snapchat device ban? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can fix the Snapchat device ban. The first thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Snapchat app, then tap on this I button, which will directly take you to settings. Here, you want to tap on storage, then tap on clear cache, now tap on manage storage, and then tap on the delete option, which is going to permanently delete the app data from this app. Now, you want to open up your settings again. Then tap on General Management. Here you want to select the option of date and time. Now toggle on the option of automatic date and time. Then toggle off the option automatic time zone. Now you want to manually select any other time zone that you want. So go ahead and select a different time zone from here and then select a different time. Once that is done, you want to launch open the Snapchat app, log into your account, and the Snapchat device ban will be fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.